Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple Music tracks are actually downloaded to your library for offline use. This ensures access. Next, authorize your Mac with the same Apple ID used to buy or sync music, because Mac authorization allows Imovie to see local files. If a track is DRM protected, you can't use it directly. Instead, choose a DRM-free export or licensed alternative. Once done, open Finder and locate the file path so you can import into Imovie without delay. Now import tracks into Imovie by dragging them into the media browser or using File, Import Media. This places audio in your project. If the Apple Music file is grayed out, convert it to MP3 or AAC with the Music app export options. Make sure the file is DRM-free first. Once in Imovie, drag the audio under your video clips, then trim and use the fade handles. Normalize levels and set start points so the music complements dialogue rather than competing with it. To finish, fine-tune audio. Adjust clip volume, enable ducking for voiceover, and add fade-ins or outs so transitions feel natural. Then export your movie with an appropriate codec. Test playback to confirm music sync and consistent loudness. If something goes wrong, first verify the track isn't DRM protected and reauthorize the Mac if needed. Re-export the audio from the Music app when required. Finally, keep a licensed backup copy of the song to avoid reuse issues and preserve quality for future edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.